Turn on subtitles if you need them. Look, the worst thing you can do when learning English is translate word by word, and I get why people do it.
Huh?
It feels logical. You learn words, you put them together. Makes sense. But native speakers don't talk like that. They use phrases that sound completely crazy if you translate them literally, and if nobody tells you what they actually mean, you're just lost. Today, I have 10 phrases that make zero sense if you translate them directly. Some are slang, some are classic idioms, but all of them, native speakers use every single day. Let's get into it. Phrase 1. It's raining cats and dogs.
Great. What was that? Why are there just cats on the floor? What?
Not literally. It just means it's raining really hard. Like, I'm not going outside. It's raining cats and dogs. Sounds strange, but you'll hear this one a lot.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's raining cats and dogs.
It's gonna rain cats and dogs, folks. So don't step in a poodle.
Just raining cats and dogs out there. I'd just as soon not go back in it.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Right.
It's a joke.
Not really.
What?
No, I'm saying like it's not really funny.
It's hilarious.
Phrase 2. Low key. This one is slang. I bet you've seen this one in the comments a lot. It's a Gen Z slang that simply means slightly or kind of. Like, you don't want to make a big deal about it. I low-key love this song. You like it, but you're not screaming about it.
I thought we agreed that you and Ted would be coming here tonight.
I know, but Ted's friends are having a thing, and everyone low-key hates me.
Hate is a strong word.
Bet I missed one hell of a party.
No, it was pretty low-key, actually. There's a lot more business and pleasure.
Here's a selfie of me looking sick, but low-key adorable that I sent to all the girls on my Snapchat, including you, might I add.
Phrase 3. Elephant in the room. There's an obvious problem that everyone can see, but nobody wants to bring up. Everyone just pretends it's not there. And the longer nobody says anything, the more awkward it gets.
First, we need to acknowledge the elephant in the room.
It's a bit of an elephant in the room, and I think it's time we discuss it.
Well, 2 years ago, the elephant in the room was the scow.
Phrase 4. Hit me up. Literally, it means punch me. But obviously, that's not what it means. Next time you're saying goodbye to a friend and want to tell them to text or call you later, just say hit me up. Like, all right, I gotta go. Hit me up later.
Hit me up anytime you want.
Just hit me up real quick, okay?
Hit me up, honey.
Phrase 5. Hold your horses. It means slow down or be patient before doing something. We often use this phrase when someone is in a hurry and needs to wait. It is a common and friendly expression in everyday English conversations.
What are you, deaf?
Sometime.
I said move it. We gotta get out of here now.
Hold your horses, little lady.
Police, search warrant!
Coming. Hold your horses.
Mr. Quagmire, I finished the scavenger hunt. Well, hold your horses. Let's go down the list.
Phrase 6. Lock in. This one's modern slang. It means to drop all distractions and focus on what you're doing. You can use it in almost any situation where you need to focus. You'll see gamers use this one the most.
If you want to become world champion, you need to log in. If you want to revolutionize personal computers, you need to log in. If you want to lead the civil rights movement, you need to log in. If you want to make legendary films, you need to log in.
Phrase 7. Costs an arm and a leg. Imagine you look at a price tag and your jaw drops. That's when you say, it costs an arm and a leg. It just means something is crazy expensive. It's a funny exaggeration. Like the price is so painful, you'd literally have to give up a limb just to check out at the register.
Diagnosis, and it costs an arm and a leg.
Fine one. Costs an arm and a leg, at the very least.
Phrase 8. Soft launch. In modern slang, a soft launch means posting subtle hints about your new partner on social media without showing their face or tagging them. You might just post a photo of 2 coffee cups or a mystery hand. The goal is to let everyone know you are taken, while keeping your partner's identity a total secret.
Don't talk to him or don't. So I created I actually was thinking about like soft launching him on TikTok.
You were gonna go out, Catherine?
No,
like,
I wasn't going Catherine.
Just one day post yourself with a man.
I was thinking about soft launching him.
Phrase 9. I'm all ears. Just means, I'm listening. Tell me everything. It's a friendly way to let someone know they have 100% of your attention. You're completely focused, you're not distracted by your phone, and you are genuinely excited or ready to hear what they have to say.
I'm all ears.
I'm all ears.
I'm all ears.
I'm all ears.
Phrase 10. Let that sink in just means, wow, stop, and Really think about that for a second. You say it right after you drop some crazy fact or a really serious point.
Let that sink in. Make sure you let that sink in.
By the way, it's okay to rewatch this video if you didn't get it all. Actually, it's recommended. Rewatch it and let it all sink in. And if this helped you, like and subscribe so you won't miss another video.